close phase of the Doterra sales cycle is where you summarize the main points of the presentation, review membership and kit options, and introduce the options to enroll. Closing is a service you provide to help people make the decision that is best for them. Remind class attendees that with a book and a box, they are prepared to address 80% of health priorities at home. Craft a close that feels authentic to you and practice it until you become effective using it. When you're closing, try saying something like this. If I heard you correctly, it sounds like stress management is a top priority. Let's get the correct oils into your hands to take care of that for you. I recommend starting with the Emotional Aromatherapy Diffused Kit. Here are some things you can do to improve your closing. Remember that closing is something you do for someone, not to someone. You are offering them precious gifts of the earth that can change their life. Avoid asking, "Do you have any questions?" during your close. This kills the momentum. We'll go through some of the possible closing questions that you can ask instead. Build their confidence that you can guide them to the best kit for their needs. Bring everything back to their top priority. Show them the solution to their challenge and put it into their hands. Now that we've gone over the basics, let's circle back to the closing questions. Practice weaving these questions into your presentation. Why do you feel your spouse would be excited to get these in your home? If you were certain that you would experience one of your challenges within the next month and you already had these products in your home, how would you feel? If you had access to safer, cheaper, more effective wellness options in your home, how would that help your family? The next time you close a presentation, try incorporating something similar to the following. Let me ask you a question. Now that you have experienced some of the products and learned more about how they can help, as well as their safety, can you begin to see why so many people have been using them? Okay, that's great. Now here's what everyone likes about the way this works. I'll take your orders tonight. Then your products will be delivered in a couple of days so you can start living your total wellness lifestyle. Flip to the back of the class handout and start filling out the shaded areas on the order form, and I'll come around to answer any questions. Reflect on how the close step usually goes for you. How confident do you feel about this step of the sales cycle? Rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 and record your answer on page 16 of the sales guide.